Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Peak Design Capture Clip version 3. It's their new, smallest, thinnest, lightest, so they said in their advert. And I haven't had a capture clip before. I have tried one of my friends and I thought it was a bit bulky and heavy. But with this one that's supposed to be lighter and thinner, I thought I'd give it a try. Alright, so here's the packaging. Nice and bright and colourful as always, and inside we've got a bit of information there. Now this can take up to 90 kilograms, which should be plenty enough for any camera, and on their website it said that it's quite capable of taking full-size pro DSLRs, so not just for mirrorless cameras like some other YouTube videos are making it sound like. So this will take a full-size DSLR, and that's what I'll be using on. I'll be using a 5D Mark II or a 6D Mark II. Right, let's get into this packaging. Nice little Apple type tab on the bottom, and inside, if I can get it out, there we go. Okay. Nice packaging, nicely presented. Oh, they've changed the pouch. Oh, I like that. Okay, changed the style a bit. Right, so on the back you've got some details, how to put it on, and the weights and things. You can pause the video if you need to read that. Right, so we've got a little twist tie holding that in. Take that out. Right, so comparing the two, this is version 2 I believe, and the version 3. As you can see, the screw in the middle, they've made it so it moves, which is useful. If you do have mirrorless cameras, then sometimes you can't open the battery tray, the battery compartment, because the mount is in the way. So with this you don't have to worry too much. Okay, let's see, how does that come out? Turn screws. Okay. It looks like got to take them all the way out. Okay. Turny turny. Right, so that's one part, there's the other. It's very light, it's nice and smooth as well. And it's got a nice rubber grip in there, which the other one didn't have. So let's put those together again. Finger bobbing a bit. Right, okay, so there's the two parts together. Yeah, it's much smaller than the one I looked at before. And this one's all made of metal as well. So there's it slips in nicely, good. It's very loose. I don't remember my friends being as loose as this, but I don't know, it feels quite loose. I don't suppose it can come out. There's no way of tightening. My friends had a little thumb screw on the corner and you could tighten up on the bracket, but this one doesn't have it. Right, so in here we've got a couple of screws, an Allen wrench, and a new Peak Design sticker, which is slightly different. I don't know why they've gone with all white this time. The last one had white and red, which I thought looked much nicer. I don't know. They look good anyway. Right, so these are Allen key screws and the pouch. Fits in the pouch. Right, okay. Right, so I'll just try to make sure that this one, because the old version 2 is much thicker. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's almost twice as thick as the new one. The new one's very flat, so that's a good thing. It won't make the camera wobble when you got it on the bottom. And yeah, that fits exactly the same. There's a little bit of a rattle, a little bit of a wobble, but it can't come out unless you press the button. Right, excellent. I'll let you know. I'm going to do a review probably next week, and I'll show you a few pictures with the camera on the clip and the clip on the bag. Right, yeah, so another great Peak Design product. Like I look forward to the new colour that they've got on the new Peak Design bag. Just give you a quick look at that again. Right, so please subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you want to, and I'll see you next week. Take care.